we'll guide you through how to download and install BSL shaders. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. BSL shaders completely change the look of Minecraft, so let's go and get started with getting them. First of all, we can go and close out of Minecraft like so, and we can go and quit the game. Now what we need to do is go and open up a web browser just like so. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And what you want to do is go and search for BSL shaders like so. We can then come to CurseForge, and we can go and scroll down and go and click on files like so at the top here. We can then scroll down and we can go and see these different versions here. So in this case, I'll go and get the latest one. We can go over to the right here, click on the three dots and click on download file like so, and it will shortly go and commence the download. To run shaders, we need another application essentially to go and run them. So what we're going to need is an application called Iris Shaders. Go and search for it like so, and you can come to the site irisshaders.dev. You can then click on the download now button and click on download universal jar. It's now downloaded, but before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you want to go and start playing with your friends, this is the best way to go and do it. If we scroll down, we can see some of the awesome features. For example, 24/7 servers and support, so you can go and have your server running always, and you can get help anytime you need it with a 24/7 live chat. DDoS protection, instant setup so upon purchase you can get playing immediately, and so many more awesome features. So if you're interested in this, go and check out the link down below in the pinned comment and the description, and you can go and get yourself 25% off your first invoice. So now let's go and get into the install process. Come to the bottom of your computer and go and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. And what we're going to do is just go and select Iris and the shaders, BSL, and put them onto our desktop. Now what we need to do is go and install Iris. So we can go and double click on the installer like so, and it should then go and open up. If it doesn't, maybe something else happens and the installer doesn't open up, or just nothing happens, this is likely because you don't have Java installed, or it's not working correctly. So what you need to do is go and open up a web browser, and you want to head to java.com. So you can go and download Java and run the installer. It's really simple. Then come back to the Iris installer, right click on it, hover over open with, and click on choose another app. You can then go and select Java here and select always, and that should go and run. If it doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix. We've got a video on that, and that will go and relink jar and Java files. Once you've got it open up though, select the game version. In this case, I'll get the latest version and click install, and like that, it's now done it. So what you can then do is go and open up Minecraft. What you need to do is go to the left of the play button, and then make sure you go and select Iris and Sodium, it may already be, then click play. Here we are, it's now gone and launched. And so then what you want to do is go and add in BSL shaders. To go and do this, it's really easy. Go and click on options, click on video settings, and you're gonna go and notice it all looks a bit different here, and that's because we've got Iris installed. What you need to do is go to the top right where it says shader packs, and then what you can do is you can go and click on open shader pack folder. It's now opened up, and you can click and drag in the BSL shaders like so. And we can then close out of here. As you can see, here they are. You can select them and click apply. You can then go and click done and done again. And here we are. And as you can see, these shaders completely enhance Minecraft and everything looks super cool.